What is 1 times 1?
My mother grew up in a poverty-stricken community of hardworking people. We are going to radam the criminal gangs. No matter how much we rob the taxpayers their money, them not gonna do nothing about it because them
Fully done?
Exactly. I am not one who fears criticism, but there are people who fear me when I respond.
So you do fear criticism?
Next question, please.
Go suck your mother, most honorable J-Tex,
What? Sarge?
Yes, Prime Minister, sir.
I don't care if you have to drag him from under him bed. Find him and lock him up. We must stop seeing the criminals as Robin Hoods and see them for what they are. Pusillanimouses.
Isn't that like the pot having an argument with the kettle?
What?
Never mind.
Did you know that you don't have to be born in Jamaica to be a Jamaican?
No.
Me neither.
Why isn't it mandatory for JCF or JDF members to wear body cams while on duty?
Sorry, but when you get in touch with the head of security and defense, you can ask him that question. Because currently I am too busy chopping the line.
What do you and the Orange Tyrant have in common?
Smart people don't like us.
Correct.
I told the people that the birth rate need to increase, but I am not going to do anything to encourage or sweeten that labor.